guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back to answer my most asked questions. How did I create this glow? This is the glow that I created every day that I was on my work assignment for Glamorous Chicks Cosmetics. We traveled from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, all the way to Montego Bay, to the Cayman Islands, and back to Fort Lauderdale. Regardless of where we port, I was asked, how did I create this glow? There are a few pointers that I want you to capture in this video. I am sharing with you a lot of technique. I'm showing you the techniques that I use in a lot of my foundation, highlight, and contouring tutorials, because technique will sustain you even if you don't have exactly the products that I'm using. What I want you to do is capture the concept on why I am using certain products. So even if you can't get exactly the ones I was using, knowing the place of where certain products will go, that's going to sustain you through this makeup tutorial. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are an existing subscriber, welcome back. Make sure you click the subscribe button to make sure that you never miss another upload. But for now, if you want to see how I created this amazing glow, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've already prepped my skin with my Estee Lauder skincare. There will be a link in the description box to show you my updated skincare routine. For this technique, I did go ahead and apply my skincare routine just a little bit before I did my makeup, whereas it's still a little bit tacky. It's not as wet as I typically apply, because remember, you're going to be on vacation. You might be out by the pool, you might be island hopping, you could be taking a flight. A number of things that you want to make sure that the makeup does stay settled all day long. So I do allow my skincare to submerge itself within the skin. Let's get into the makeup. You already know when you're on vacation, you want to look as fabulous as possible. You want to look as rejuvenated as possible, but you don't want to spend a lot of time blending foundations and things of that nature. So to start this look, I grabbed my Melanie Mills, I grabbed the Deep Golden, and the limited edition, the Sandra Luxe one. This one is in Peach Deluxe. Melanie Mills has a variety of different Gleam Body Radiance products that can suit any skin type. Before I apply this product, I am going to grab a travel size of the MAC Fix Plus. Just want to kind of prep the skin a little bit more, kind of allow that to submerge itself. I'm going to grab this Melanie Mills, and you'll see it's a little bit more golden than I am, but by dampening the skin, it allows this product to blend and become a seamless foundation. And you'll see that I ended with a beautiful glowy bronze effect, and I know that shade is just a little bit too warm for me. But remember, when you're on vacation, you want to take a variety of different shades, because if you are out in the sun, as I was in the Caribbean, this product allows your foundation not to oxidize. One, because you're not wearing foundation. Two, because it's already giving you that beautiful underlining glow, so therefore you look the perfect shade all day long. As always, I'm going to brighten underneath the eye area by correcting the dark circles by grabbing my Urban Decay. This is the Deep Peach. And I'm just going to apply this as I normally do a concealer. Now to add the concealer, I'm grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape and the shade Tan. And then of course I'm going to go ahead and create my contour zones. This is the Glamorous Chicks Rich Bronze. Glamorous Chicks has a variety of different warm shades that you can use as highlight, contours, brightening products. I'm absolutely obsessed with the formulation. It blends out absolutely amazingly. And best of all, it's in a stick formulation, so there's no mess, no waste. I always hit this area right here, because you know when you're on vacation, you're not at the gym, girl. Your face is going to swell, girl. Tighten up that contour line. I'm going to go in once more with my MAC Fix Plus. Grabbing one of my favorite fan brushes. This is by Eve Pearl. You'll see it's double-ended. Perfect for when you're on vacation. And just go ahead and start blending in those contour zones. Girl, yes, take it into that wig, honey. Take it into that hairline, girl. Yes, look at that. And I want to lightly set underneath my eye area with my RCMA No Color Powder. You can already see that underneath the eye area is a little bit more powdery, but can you tell this beautiful glow that just wants to come through? I'm using the setting powder underneath the eye area because I don't want that concealer to move, because if the concealer moves, you can tend to look extremely tired, okay? Which is not cute when you're on vacation. I mean, let's be real, it's not cute any point in your life, okay? So I did set underneath the eye area. Now let's move into creating that all over glow. You ready? Let's go. I have been obsessed with the Fenty Beauty. This is the Kilowatt in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. Now, I just love a good blushy highlight, okay? A good blushy highlight. So if you're looking for a good blush, you're looking for a good highlight, let me tell you, this is my second one in this line, and I'm gonna have to go ahead and buy a third because she gives me everything I need. Do you see what's happening? Are you seeing what's happening? And that's just the blush, girl. I haven't even gotten to the highlight. I need to bring that fleshiness back, okay? And I'm blending that right into that zone where that powder tends to settle right there. Can you see what's going on? Let's go into the highlight portion. Oh, but are you seeing? Are you seeing what's going on? I'm creating this beautiful C, hitting right above that brow, cupping that cheek. Yes. Let's give you another slow motion. Give me that C. Give me that C so you can see it, honey. And blend it. But you want to blend. Down the bridge of the nose, just connect everything. Over that forehead, right on that chin. Can you see what's happening? Can you see what's happening? Okay, you acting like you don't see it. Okay, Mama Jackie! Hello! Okay. La Bronze and La Peach. Ooh, y'all, let me tell you, okay. Let the glow show be, let the glow show begin. Okay, but wig, I don't need you to be slipping, okay? Because we're starting the show right now. Show 3, 2, 1. Your good little fan brush. Go in with the lightest one. This is La Peach. Watch this. My Lord. Oh, do you see it though? Jackie did us right, y'all. Jackie did us right. She's gonna let them see us from any aisle you want to go to, girl. She's coming! The glow show! She's coming! My Lord. Wait. Now, if it's a little intense, because that got a little intense, right? We're going to go ahead and pull up La Bronze. And yes, who's counting? I'm already at 4 bronzes. Who cares? You're on vacation. Live your life. Live your best life. And let them see you living your best life. Okay? And honey, just bathe in her. Just bathe in her. Look, just bathe in her. She is in the building. Woo! Now, wait, because we did take it from 0 to 50. Just go ahead, spray it. Get you just like a little brush that you would normally add powder, but you've already powdered everybody's life away. And just set this in to make sure that there's no streaking, okay? Just set it, girl. Set it, girl. But remember, we went in really contoured down here. I'm going to go back in one more time with my Melanie Mills, and I just want to do a little bit of this one. This one is the lighter shade, the Peach Deluxe. And what I'm going to do is kind of cut that contour, okay? Now, this is the trick. Clean up your contour. Clean it up. Clean up your contour. Can you see what's happening? I'm not doing this with powder, okay? And as I move up, I want to make sure there's no lines of demarcation, so I'm just kind of setting this all the way in, okay? drop it down to blend that contour out. Drop it down. So what I'm doing is giving you dimensions. And look, I'm even tapping this brush right over where that powder was. This removes flashback, okay? Can you see what's happening? So I have one beautiful, evenly inclined complexion all the way over. Do the same thing on the other side. And I've been getting a lot of questions lately about what product I use on my brow. I am still using my Fat Brow. There's a full tutorial on my Instagram as well as my YouTube on why I use this product. But I always start with the darker shade first, anchor the brow at the bottom, turning that brush to the side just to allow the edge glide across those angles. And then as you move into the brow, you can flip it back up this way because it's a little bit wider, and that gives you very fluid strokes in the brow to just make that area not look so sparse. My brows do grow in really, really thin, but as long as the shape is right, you can really go in and define them. And then now as I move into the front, I'm just going to use the lighter version just to give me a little bit of an ombre effect on the brow. Not taking a lot of time with them, but just being precise with where I put the product. So you can see that the highlight is still underneath the brow area, so that's all I'm doing. I'm not doing a whole lot of cleanup. I mean, I'm on vacation. I've been absolutely loving my Tarte. This is the Park Avenue Princess, and I just like to do this because I also blend out my eyebrow into my contour of my nose. Just a soft, gentle contour to make sure that they don't look too streaky, and just to make sure that everything is nice and in balance. I love the Park Avenue Princess. It's just the right amount of oomph that it doesn't go too gray on me, but it does give me a little bit of intensity without going red. So it works really, really well in the upper part of my face. So, and I've just blended my brows out. That's it. Now, if you really want to get snazzy, of course, on vacation, I grab the same bronzer. Just do a little bit on my lid with this nice fat Smith brush. This is the 232, I believe. One of my favorite brushes. And just blending that out. Mainly just want to make sure that my eye area doesn't crease a lot. Not a lot of dimension, but just enough to make sure everything is nice and secure. No creasing, no bleeding, no smudging, blah, blah, blah. You know, just something really light, really easy. Now, as far as lashes, I'm just going to do a quick sweep with my Voluminous Lash Primer. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I think if you wear false lashes, you want to use a lash primer. That one gives the mascara something to bond onto. Two, it keeps the lash adhesive from sticking to your lashes and snapping them out. So it's like a really good lash conditioner. And because I do have astigmatism, as I've said this in several different videos, it allows me to see the lashes that I would normally miss with my natural eye because they're now painted white. I have had some people say, oh, well, using a white lash primer, it makes my mascara dull. No, for me, because I'm wearing falsies, I can't tell if the mascara is dull. But if you're not a false lash wearer, one of my favorite mascaras to use with a white lash primer. This is the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme. It's waterproof. Lash Multiplying Volumizing Mascara is waterproof. This one is amazing if you're not wearing false lashes. I do love just the standard Sumptuous Extreme. I received this one in a free gift. It has the gloss on one side and just the standard mascara. But I'm going to show you what this mascara does. I am obsessed with it. Extremely buildable, extremely black, long wearing, and it even holds the curl of my lash. Like I said, if you're not wanting to wear a false lash, this is the perfect combination. But if you are a lash wearer, you can always check for Koki Cosmetics. You can find them in Walmart. I found a couple new styles while on vacation, and I guess I'm just going to try this style here today. This is the FL681. The lash adhesive is included, but I'm just going to stick with my typical lash adhesive that is latex free. Girl, that glow is serious, girl. That glow is serious. Oh, these are cute. They have a nice curl to them, whereas my lashes are starting to be a little bit more straight. These have a nice thick curl to them. No need to really use an eyeliner, so there's no slipping, sliding, or smudging. And that just gives me a nice dense intensity without looking too over the top. You know what I'm saying? But you want to make sure that you cut this little inner tab off here, because that could really irritate your eye as the day progresses. So make sure you clip that tab off. Make sure your adhesive is tacky enough so you can get them in position before you set them completely. And of course, I'm going to finalize this look off with a nude matte lip. You already know. Boy Toy by Glamorous Chicks Cosmetics. Perfect nude for all day pucker. And because nothing says vacation like stunting on them, apply your Glamorous Chicks Cosmetics glitter, and there you have the glow show. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it 2 thumbs up. Comment down below on what's your favorite product that I used in this video. Make sure you check the description box for all of the links, possibly even some discounts. You guys know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.